beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. I feel like I say that every single time, but I'm so pumped for today's video as well. We are going to be testing the brand new Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealer, and I've got the shade Fair. It's got a vitamin C in it, and let's just basically see what it claims to do, how much it costs, and let's try this weird little applicator. It looks very, very similar to Charlotte Tilbury's concealer, so I want to see whether it's any good or not. If you are new here, by the way, I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And please turn that notification bell on as well because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays as well. If you want to check me out on Instagram and TikTok, all the links are down below, but let's just get straight into it. Bitty boppity boom, let's go. So this concealer retails for £8. Like I said at the beginning, it has got this funky little applicator and then you kind of twist it and it comes up. This is the second from lighter shade because the lightest one was like a pale pink kind of undertone and I like more of a yellow brightening one. So let's just see how many times it takes to, oh, I think it's coming, to see some product come out. Is that going to work? We have some, well done. So I'm just going to use the little applicator to apply. I'm interested to see what the coverage is going to be like on this because normally on like illuminating concealers there's not much coverage to them. So taking one side with a sponge. Oh my god, I didn't even leave that to set for as long as what I wanted to either. Normally I leave it 30 seconds, but I was a bit impatient and it's still got that kind of coverage. Wow. See, I think I needed this product to come out because it's got coverage but it's illuminating and my eyes are so dry even when I put like just normal concealer on without putting my powder on like straight away. It's just so dry underneath there. I definitely don't drink enough water and stuff. Oh, look at that. Wow, okay, so I actually got this to do a review for you. I did not expect it. Can you see that? To look like that. I'm going to try the other side of one of the Revolution and Roxy brushes because I'm actually filming this little clip for my full kind of testing the Roxy collection, which is already on my channel. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to see. That sponge is also from her collection as well. So I'm going to pop onto the other video and film that little clip and then I'll be back. When all my makeup's done, I've tried the full collection and then I'll let you know what I think of this concealer and what it's like when it's like powdered down and everything and with the rest of my makeup. But wow, girl, wow. So this is how the concealer looks like with the rest of my makeup done. I am honestly so impressed. Like I got so much glitter all over the concealer that I had to like basically wipe this concealer off, put it back on again, powder it again. It went on perfectly. And then I thought, actually, I'll put a little bit on this side too. So bear in mind, I'd already put the concealer on, set it, put another layer of concealer on, and powder it again, and it still looks beautiful. It doesn't look cakey or drying or icky or it looks honestly beautiful. Really, really impressed with it. Okay, Revolution. But yeah, I really would recommend it, especially for the price, like for £8. You can't go wrong. I honestly think I might reach for this more than my Conceal and Define Infinite. And I tell you now, that is a big claim because I absolutely love that concealer. But this is like illuminating with coverage. This is like everything I expected the YSL Touche Éclat to be, but more, because that has no coverage at all. So I'm just absolutely blown away. Would really recommend, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to my patrons for all of your love and support. If you are interested in joining my exclusive community, I will leave the link down below to join and also a little video linked for you to have a little look to see what it is, what it includes, how to join, all that kind of good stuff as well. It starts from as little as £1 a month. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope to see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye guys.